Hey guys and gals, it's me, George. And as you could tell from the previous little clips, I was working on painting the trim around the door, which I got hung yesterday. Put the trim on today. I'd like to think I could get some more trim done, but I have my doubts. We've had considerable amount of rain last night, which is why I wanted the door on before it rained. And we're expecting more today. But I thought you might like to see that. No, the corners are not installed, they're just pieces are hanging there. But I wanted to show you the way a door is supposed to work when it's hung properly. Like that. Simple plump and latched. And that's the way it's supposed to work. I'm going to try and get my kick panel on the bottom before I quit. Like I said, it looks like it's going to rain again. It rained all morning. And they're calling for rain tomorrow, so I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do any more painting now. Hopefully this will get a chance to dry before it starts to rain again. And I found out, as you can see probably alongside of the door handle there's some white streaks. Well, that's where I scraped the paint off. Evidently, well, I know that that was the inside of the door on the house that came out of. And I wasn't sure if they'd use interior paint or exterior paint. But with the rain this morning, and when I came out, it was very easy to scrape off with my fingernail. So I'm going to have to strip all that paint off, which is not a big deal. And I'm going to be painting it a totally different color. And I'm not going to tell you what that color is now. You'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm happy again with my progress. A little bit at a time, one step at a time. So I might finish that kickboard and leave you with a couple of clips or a couple of still photos. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye now.